Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are showing you a practical, functional and modern 3-bedroom bungalow house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So join us as we begin this tour. Let's go. You have your pedestrian gate over here. Stepping into the house, we're shooting this in the afternoon and you'll notice that the sun is already on the other side of the house because this is an east-facing or morning sun-facing property. So in the afternoons, malamig na dito sa harap ng house. Let's explore here very quickly. You have a parking space that can fit 2 vehicles. It's almost completely covered. And then what you see here is, this is the staff room. So you have stairs here that can access it. And this stretches all the way to this side. Okay? You have an additional security gate here leading to the utility area, which we'll take a look at later. So the entire house is elevated already by a couple of feet from street level. There's no flooding in this area, but that's just a nice feature to have for a house. Nice patch of greenery here. And in terms of functionality, you have an additional security gate here. The house just finished construction, that's why we still have some construction materials here, but I'll walk in so you see the space. So there's a lot that you can do with this. You can put AstroTurf here and then make this an additional lounge space or additional storage area. It's up to you. But usable space is always very good for any house. Now welcome to your beautiful home. I love the layout of this property because it's so straightforward, it's so open. You have a living space, a dining area on this side, and then you have your kitchen space all the way on the other side. In addition, it's also very well lit, but at the same time, hindi siya mainit because there's no point wherein there's direct sunlight streaming into the room. So hindi ka mabababad sa araw if you're in here. But it's still so bright. They maximize the living space by having this sliding door here. And you can step out here. With this additional space, they put tiles here so that this can be an additional alfresco space. And then it extends all the way here to your service area. Okay. So, greater ventilation. And then you have cove lighting all throughout. So even in the evening, this looks very elegant. And this entire space is where you can have your dining area. So it's up to you what size you want. Even a table for up to 8 people can fit here. And then from your dining area, you of course have your open kitchen. I love how the color scheme complements the cabinetry and the rest of the color scheme throughout the property. You have more of a cream and light brown color all throughout. And I like that the cabinetry is easy to open and you pull it out from under here. So very minimalist yung look niya. This is where you can have your range hood and cooktop. And then on this side, this is where you can have your refrigerator. Now, space-wise, there's enough space here to have an island countertop or even a small kitchen table. It's up to you how you want to maximize the space. Okay. This is a fantastic option if you're moving on up from a condominium unit or if you're coming from a large house and you want something that's easier to manage. This is a great 3-bedroom property. Okay, let's take a look now here at the service area. So you have here a water tank above your bathroom area here. So this is the bathroom of your staff. So let's just have a quick look. So talagang ma-inspect nyo yung buong property. There. May shower head already, and then of course this is a heavy wash area. This is already your laundry space. That's why you have a additional outlet already here with a cover. So very functional. Let's go. Okay. Now in terms of layout, the house is divided into 2 sides. You have your amenity areas here and main living spaces, and then on the other side, you have the 3 rooms. Sobrang orderly. Let's begin here with the primary room. So I'd like you to notice the high ceiling. Plenty of space here. And I like that they have these contrasting colors for the walls, but complements the cabinetry here. So here's a view. Built-in cabinetry already. Along the entire wall. Oversized window here. So a lot of ventilation. And like I said, plenty of ideas if you want to make this an outdoor garden space, so that when you look out from your master bedroom or primary bedroom, puro greenery yung nakikita nyo. That's another good idea. Plenty of outlets all throughout the room. Flooring is also very easy to clean, easy to maintain. And then you have your bathroom. Floor to ceiling tiles. There, and then you have your shower area. You have a window already for ventilation. Now, talking about the size of this property, the lot is about 204 square meters, and then the floor area is approximately 170 square meters across the lone ground level. So it's up to you in the future if you want to further add a second level, but right now as it is, it's a very functional and ready to move in property already. Now you have 2 more bedrooms here. This is the second and the third room, and they have a shared bathroom. I walk in because maganda yung spacing niya, and it has a cooler design with the gray tile. Cool indirect lighting effect here. And then you have your second room. There. Second bedroom, once again, they still have cove lighting. You have that window once again, giving you a view of the side area of the house, and then lots of storage again. And then let's take a look here at your third room. So the third room is a corner room facing the front of the house. They maximize the morning light. That's why you have these 3 windows here. Still a high ceiling. Now this is excellent, especially if you're coming from a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom property. If you have 2 kids, or if you're looking for a property where you can have 1 room for your child and then another as a home office, this is a great option. Okay, here's one more view of your open living space, and that wraps up our quick tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook. If you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.